tram. Australia, Britain, rail transport, a passenger vehicle for public use that runs on tracks in the road, called a streetcar or trolley in North America. A similar vehicle for carrying materials. U.S. rail transport, a people mover. U.S. an aerial cable car. U.S. a train with wheels that runs on a road, a trackless train. British, dated, a car on a horse railway or tramway, horse trams preceded electric trams. Obsolete, the shaft of a cart. Obsolete, one of the rails of a tramway. Intransitive, to operate, or conduct the business of, a tramway. Intransitive, to travel by tram. Transitive, to transport, material, by tram. U.S. transitive, to align a component in mechanical engineering or metalworking, particularly the head of a drill press. Weaving, a silk thread formed of two or more threads twisted together, used especially for the weft, or cross threads, of the best quality of velvets and silk goods. T R A M tram.